Start in the name of Allah, the most merciful and beneficent. Okay, dear student, our today's topic is square root. What is square root? First of all, we will try to understand the square root. What is square root? Square root may be defined as the square of root is called square root. The square of a root is called square root, means a square of any root is also called square root. For example, I have a number 9 whose roots are plus minus 3. Similarly, 16 whose roots are plus minus 4. 25 whose roots are plus minus 5. So 9 whose plus minus 3 are the roots of the 9. 16 plus minus 4 are the roots of 16. And similarly 25 plus minus 5 are the roots of 25. When you take the square of any roots plus minus 3 and 19, when you take square of plus 3, it will give result 9. When you take square of minus 3, it will also give result 9. When you take square root of 9, that is also equal to plus 3 as well as minus 3. It means when we take square of 3, that is equal to 9. When we take square of minus 3, that is also equal to 9. It means plus minus 3 are the roots of 9. So according to the definition, the square of root is called square root, means plus minus 3 and plus 3 and minus 3 are the roots of 9. So whenever we take the square of plus 3, it will give result 9. Whenever we take the square of minus 3, it will also give the result 9. So in short, we can say that square of a root is called square root. Now we are discussing to find the square root of a numbers. Basically, there are two famous methods to find the square root of a number. That is by prime factorization and the second one is division. We can find square root of a number by prime factorization and by division method. So how we will find the square root of any number by prime factorization? For example, we have to find square root of 64. Yeah, we have to find square root of 125. Yeah, we have to find square root of 625. So, by prime factorization, first of all, find out the prime factor of 64. Prime factors, prime number we have already discussed. We have earlier discussed that prime number are those numbers which have only two factors. So, first of all, 64 whose unit is 4. If the unit of any number is even, means 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, so it will be completely divisible by 2. As the unit of 64 is even, yani 4, so 64 will completely divisible by 2. So first of all, इसको 2 से divide कर रहे हैं. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again, the unit of 32 is 2, that is even, so it will also divisible by 2. Again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12. Again 16 whose unit is 6. 6 is even number, so it will also completely divisible by 2. So 2 8s are 16, again even, so 2 4s are 8, again even, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. यहाँ तक के यहाँ पे बना जाए. अब if the any numbers, अगर कोई नंबर परफेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट है, दो किस्म के नंबर हमारे पास होते हैं परफेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट, इम्परफेक्ट स्क्वायर रूट. अगर कोई यहाँ पे जितने भी प्राइम फैक्टर्स हैं अगर वो पेयर फॉर्म में हैं, if all the prime factors of a given number are in pair form 2 4 6 8 and so on, so it will considered as perfect square. Like this is one pair, this is second pair, this is third pair. It means there are 3 pairs of the given numbers, so 64 is perfect square. So write down the all prime factor of 64 in front of 64. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and into 2. I think and square root की sign will remain same. Now it will considered as a single pair. इसको हम single pairs लिख देंगे, इसको भी single pair. As we know that 5 into 5, this is the twice product या product of identical number, that is equal to 5 square. What is square? Square क्या है? The number which is the product of two identical number. यानी the number which is the product of two identical number is called square. It means कि 5 square is equal to 25. 25 is the product of two identical number 5 and 5. So according to this we can write 2 into 2 as 2 raised to the power 2 या 2 square. इसको भी हम 2 raised to the power 2 और इसको भी हम 2 raised to the power 2 लिख देंगे और square root का sign will remain constant. Now what I have to do? This next step, यहाँ पे आप इसको सेम एक भी लिख सकते हैं, कंबाइन भी कर सकते हैं, यानी 2 into 2 into 2. क्योंकि इसका भी स्क्वायर है, इसका भी स्क्वायर है, तो तीनों नंबर्स का भी हम कंबाइन स्क्वायर ले सकते हैं. स्क्वायर रूट आ जाएगा अपनी जगह पे सेम. Now this is the common thing के square and square root will cancel with each other because square and square root are the opposite to each other. So cancel square and square root to each other. Our result is 2 into 2 into 2. So multiply these 2 into 2 4. आप यूं लिखें and into 2 so 8. It means कि 8 is the square root of 64. Whenever we take square root of 64, that is equal to 8. It is the method to find the square root of any given number by prime factorization. Here you can take as a separately. मैंने क्या किया, इसको भी इंडिविजुअली ले लिया, इसको भी मैंने इंडिविजुअली ले लिया और इसको भी मैंने इंडिविजुअली ले लिया. As square and square root will cancel with each other. Square root cancel to each other 2 आ जाएगा. Square root will cancel to each other 2 आ जाएगा. 2 square root will cancel with each other 2 आ जाएगा. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. आप यूं भी यूज कर सकते हैं, इंडिविजुअली स्क्वायर रूट ले या पहले एक में स्क्वायर लेके फिर स्क्वायर रूट ले, आपकी मर्जी, जैसे आपको पसंद हो, जैसे आपको अच्छा लगे. Now this is the method to find square root by prime factorization. Now how we will find the square root of the same number by division method. So stop करें.